Good news! Many PCs and Macs already have Python installed, but let's make sure it's ready to go on your machine. On a Windows PC, just search for Python in the Start menu, or open the command line and type this command. Python followed by ---- and version. If Python is installed, you'll see the version number displayed, like Python 3.12. On Linux or Mac, open your terminal and type the same command. No Python? No problem, download it for free at python.org. Now let's dive into the fun part, writing your first Python program. Let's get coding. Open any text editor and create a new file called Hello World, Py. Start with a classic, print Hello World. Save it, then open your command line and navigate to where you saved your file. Now run the file by typing Python, followed by the name of the file. Nice, you've just written and executed your first Python program. Awesome job, keep going and you'll be a Python pro in no time. Did you know you can run Python code right in your browser? Check out Online Python Editor. Simply type your code here and hit run. Let's try it with our Hello World example. Hit run and see the magic happen. That's it. This editor will be your go-to tool as we explore more Python features. Want to test some quick Python? Let's use the Python command line. Start it with the command Python. Or if that doesn't work, try Py or Python 3.12 or whatever version you're using. Now you're in the Python shell. Type our classic Hello World example again. See the result instantly. When you're done, just type exit to quit. Quick and easy, perfect for testing small bits of code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to get notified about our latest videos. For more coding tips and tricks, keep it locked. Don't forget to try out what you've learned in our interactive editor. Happy coding!